Here's a quick video that shows you how to post to the discussion. So we are on the invitation poem discussion. So when you get to the discussion, just click on it and then read through the entire prompt. And if you need to read the invitation poem if you weren't in class or need to review it, you can click there and download that. And then there's a bunch of prompts there. Make sure you read through the whole thing. You can watch the video post that I put as your teacher, and then click Start a New Thread. When you click Start a New Thread, you enter a subject, so whatever title you want to include there. And then if you're going to type your response, you type your response here. And if you're going to add an attachment, like a picture, then you can click Add an Attachment there. And I really would love to see video notes. And so the way to do a video note is to click on this Insert Stuff. That's such an informal button. So click on the Insert Stuff button, and then you can click Video Note. And then look at that. You can record yourself using your webcam. And so you click New Recording. And don't worry, if you record once, you can watch it. And if you don't like the recording, it'll have a button here that says new recording, or it'll say new recording again. So you don't have to use the first recording. And then once you are happy with your recording, then you click next and you'll be able to post it. Okay, so I would love to have a lot of you use the video note, and I look forward to learning a little bit more about you.